guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very huge try on haul. Everything I got is from hotmiamistyles.com. If you guys have never heard of them, they are an amazing site with really cute, really trendy, very sexy clothing that I love so much. Everything is super duper cute and fitting for the summer, and I love everything, so I hope you guys like it. And if you guys are new to my channel, hi guys, my name is Arika. I do beauty, fashion, and fitness videos here on YouTube, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And without further ado, let's get started on this huge summer try on haul. Alright guys, so the very first item I'm actually wearing right now, I am actually so excited to wear this because it's like a brown bodysuit. You guys will see me wearing it right here. Love how this brown snake print one piece looks. It is super cute. I love the details. I love the cinched waist and this belt, and it literally is the cutest one piece swimsuit ever, and I feel like it gives me like a little extra tan. So cute. Love the details, love the way that it looks, love the way that it feels. It's super comfortable as well, and it's just a fun wild print. The second outfit that I got from Hot Miami Styles is this blue one piece. It's like a blue, almost like holographic iridescent one piece swimsuit. I also really love this blue metallic iridescent swimsuit. It's super cute. It's definitely super high cut, but I love it. I had it in a pink one before. I still have it actually, but I wore it many times and I posted about it many times. So I was like, you know what? I want a blue one. And how fun does this look, honestly? And the back is really high as well. The sides are really high. I love it. It's so cute. It's definitely a look. The next outfit, oh my gosh, this is so amazing, so epic, is this yellow maxi dress. It's just a showstopper just by looking at the color itself without even looking at the dress. It's just a fun, bright yellow maxi. Can someone please invite me to another wedding? This is such a wedding vibes dress. It is so cute. I love the yellow, I love the slits, I love the ruffles, so cute. It also kind of reminds me of Beauty and the Beast just because of the shade of yellow and the ruffles. And that's what the back looks like. Literally Beauty and the Beast. The next item is this really cute leopard maxi dress as well. Ever since I went to Gigi's wedding, I've been kind of like obsessed with like longer dresses. I feel like it's just so classy and so glam. I think just because I've been seeing them a lot at weddings and it's just glamorous and classy, and I always thought like you had to show more skin to be sexy, but with these maxis, they're just so fabulous, so I love them. Another leopard print dress that is a maxi, but this one actually has a bodysuit under, so you don't have to actually wear anything under because they already cover that for you. But I love this wild fun dress. It is a tube dress with ruffles all along, and it's kind of like a lingerie-esque dress. The see-through fabric kind of reminds me of a little fun lingerie look, but it's a full dress that you can wear out to a party. I love it. The back is like this, such elegant vibes, super cute. The next item is a set. You guys know I love matching sets. I get them as much as possible because I feel like they're just so cute and they're just put together, and it's just a really cute combo. So this is a pink top, and it comes with a matching skirt, and it's ruched, and then you tie it. Super duper cute, a fun party outfit. This pink two-piece is everything, probably like my favorite outfit. I know I say that about a lot of outfits, but this is probably my favorite outfit in the haul that is pink because it's so cute, it's so flattering, and it's just so fun to wear. So I really love it, and it's so me. And it's definitely like a go-to pink outfit if you have a pink themed party, a Barbie themed party, a girly get-together, girls' night, or a Wednesday when we wear pink. I think this is perfect, and I love it, and it's definitely flattering. I don't feel like uncomfortable or anything like that, and I love that it's a two-piece set. The back looks like this, and it's also super comfortable. Love the little ties in the front. that I can tie. It's definitely a look, and I love the shade of pink that it's in. The next item is super fun. It is a lavender or lilac, light purple fringe skirt with a matching top. This is just so fun and so party vibes. I feel like I wish there was like a theme party that I'm going to. Actually, there is one that I'm going to at Beverly Hills Hotel, so maybe I will wear this there. And this purple number is literally so adorable. I love the fringe. It's so much fun. I feel like I'm on Dancing with the Stars or something. It is so cute. I love like the skin. It's like just enough that shows. It's not like too crazy or anything like that. I love it, and it's actually shorts. So it's not a skirt. It's like a full shorts under, which I like, because when I held it up, I actually thought it was a skirt. So it's just so much easier, and you could just literally, I want to do a boomerang like this, honestly. It's so cute. I love it. It's so adorable. Super duper cute. And the back looks like this. Oh my gosh, it reminds me of like Moulin Rouge. I literally want to be in that movie. It's such a cute movie and totally burlesque vibes. So cute. I love this. It's so fun, right? Just by looking at it, it's like a party. The next item is this blue combo top set. So it has this like bluish tie-dye top with orange, and then it also comes with this matching shorts set. So I love the two together. I'm definitely gonna wear it to this event with Laura Mercier in Venice Beach. It's like so fitting and so perfect during the day, so I'm gonna wear that. Isn't this such an adorable outfit? It is giving me totally like Coachella festival vibes. I love the tie-dye. I've been really into tie-dye actually lately. I went to the party and actually ordered a tie-dye sweatshirt, but I ended up not picking it up because I forgot. And I kind of wish I got it, but this outfit will do. It is super duper cute. I love it. Just the cutest blue and orange combo, and just like the perfect off the shoulder Bardot look. Love the details, love the color, love the shape, and love the way the top just like droops. And in the back it looks like this. It has kind of like a scrunch back right here. Such boho vibes. The next outfit is this really cute snakeskin long sleeve romper, and I know this is like a little bit more, I don't know, I guess covered up than my usual outfits, but I always like a classy look, and you know, sometimes you don't want to be like super sexy or super provocative because there's a time and a place for that. So I feel like I could wear this to like a brunch, or I do go to a lot of baby showers and things that are like a little bit more family, so I think this would be perfect, and it's still sexy at the same time, and you can like unbutton it and open it and like make it look super sexy. So I love this romper, and it's like a full outfit, you know, so I love that as well. So cute. I actually would wear this open. I know you could wear it closed, but I probably would wear it open like this, maybe with a chain belt or a bunch of necklaces or like really big hoop earrings. But I'm really loving this snake print romper. It is the perfect length because it's super short, but then the long sleeve kind of cancels out the sexiness. So I love that it's still sexy but classy at the same time. I'm really loving the light snake print shade. It's so cute. Oh my gosh, you guys. And I actually really love the way that it feels. It's like a thin, soft material, and it's not uncomfortable at all. It's super comfortable. So cute. Kind of actually reminds me of like Kylie or like Kim K vibes. The next one is a tight, sexy leopard dress, and I got the Maxi, and that one is like a little bit looser, and I just wanted to get a bodycon one because I do have a lot of leopard print clothes and leopard print long sleeve minis and leopard print tops, but I didn't have, like, I thought about it and I was like, I really don't have a leopard tube sexy dress. So I was like, you know what, I need to get one because leopard is totally my vibe and totally my thing. So yeah, I decided to pick one up on Hot Miami Styles. This dress is literally so amazing. It is so soft, it is so bodycon and so sexy and so fun at the very same time. It is a midi length, sexy length pencil dress. I love, love, love this dress so much. And it reminds me actually of a Wolford dress. Wolford is a brand that is actually really expensive. It's like $200 or $300 for a dress like this. So it is so much better to shop on Hot Miami Styles and get the same thing, and even better actually because they don't have leopard prints. So cute. Look at the back of this. I'm obsessed with this dress. This might be my favorite thing, even though I do like everything in this try-on haul. It is so cute. It's everything. I can't wait to wear this to like a girl's brunch or something, or even dinner. I can wear it tonight actually. The next dress is this super cute clubby dress. It is a halter front Ruched. It's like this hot pink color, and I just really love hot pink these days. I mean, you guys know I always loved pink, but neon pink is just so bright and so fun. So I picked up a lot of hot pink stuff actually in this haul, and this is one of them. These are like easy to wear. I do go out a lot. I go out to dinner a lot, and I hang out with my friends a lot, so I just wanted to pick a fun pink color for a clubbing night. Neon pink mini, super cute. Love the halter, like the double halter band. I think that is super cute. It's a really cute detail. I feel like rouging always accentuates curves, so I'm really loving this halter dress. It's so cute. I actually especially really love the top halter part because I feel like that's unique, and not a lot of dresses are like that anymore. I had one like this like back in the day, a halter top, like a white one and a pink one, like literally in high school, and I miss this shape, and I'm so glad it came back and I can get one on Hot Miami Styles because it's such a cute detail. It's such a sexy detail, and it's like just a really cute sexy look. In the back it looks like a double strap, like the halter and then the back strap, or like the regular spaghetti strap, but the back side also looks really hot too. Like I love the rouging and how it accentuates curves. Rouging always does that. If you guys are ever wondering what rouging is for, it always like kind of cinches the waist and creates like curves, so it's a great effect to have. My next outfit is this one right here. It has mesh sleeves, and it's a ruched mesh dress, and it's super cute. It's mesh all over, but the middle part is not see-through, but the sleeves are. And this is another dinner dress or a beauty event dress, and it's just glam and super cute, and I feel like I could do like a really bright pink lip with it. Love. And I actually will probably do like a ponytail with it. This pink dress is super cute. It is so much better on than just like hanging or holding it up. It is super bodycon and super duper cute. I love the mesh dress and the mesh fabric, and I love that the sleeves are a lot more see-through than the entire dress itself. I can wear it in the fall as well because it does have a longer sleeve, and this is how it looks in the back. It is definitely very sexy and very bodycon. I love it, and it's very flattering. The next outfit is this pink cover-up. This cover-up is everything. It's like a full dress, but it reminds me of like Jasmine vibes because it's just so cute and it's so flowy. It just has like a desert princess vibe, you know what I mean? It is a full cover-up dress. I love it. I don't have anything like this. And yeah, so you can wear a swimsuit under and party all night with it on. But I am really loving this cover-up dress. It's a full dress, it's a wrap, and then you just tie it here. There's one tie right here, and then I tied something over. It came with this tie as well. I need it in every color now, seriously. The pink is everything, but I do want it in other colors as well. I probably would wear it with a pink bikini under, or a black or white. I mean, the teal looks not bad, but I probably would pair it with like a neutral color or pink. Super cute, obsessed. Love it. I feel like a goddess. And I've always wanted a cute cover up that kind of just covers the whole thing and creates like an elegant dress, and this is totally it. All of my cover-ups are really small, like little sarongs and like little shorts and stuff like that, so I really wanted a maxi one, and I found it on Hot Miami Styles, so I love this. The next item, oh my gosh, so much pink. You guys are probably like, oh my gosh, so much, but you know what? I feel like you can never go wrong with pink. You know, it's such a girly, glamorous, fabulous, feminine color, and it's so cute on everyone. I tend to stick to what I like and what I know, and I love pink. And whenever we have like beauty events and stuff like that, the theme is usually pink because a lot of makeup products are pink. And I just really wanted a collection of pink dresses. And this one I really liked because it is a sequin fabric, and when you look at it, it almost looks like it is plastic or latex or like vinyl, and I thought it was really unique and fun because a lot of pink dresses are just like plain pink and regular fabric, and this one really caught my eye because it's just like this really shiny pink Barbie vibes. And the back is sort of a scoop back. So it's a little bit lower, which is cute and adds a little flair. And yeah, it's also bodycon and super cute and super flattering on the body, I think, especially with the cutout in the front. I feel like it's very flattering, and then with this tie waist, it's very flattering as well. And the last two items, oh my gosh, these are amazing swimsuits. I was like, I have too many bikinis, so I don't need any, but Hot Miami Styles always has like the most amazing swimwear. So this is a black, shiny, snakeskin bikini top, and the bottom is a high waist bikini bottom, and it's just so sexy. So this black bikini is super sexy. I love it. It is like the under boob kind of bikini. I love the high waist bottom and how it kind of like creates a small tiny waist. The top is a little bit revealing and super sexy. I love it. And the back looks like this. The back is actually has a little bit more coverage than the front. I feel like the front is a little bit like, whoa, super sexy, just because like the top is like very boobylicious, but I do like it. It is super sexy, and to a Vegas pool party or something like that, it's definitely a showstopper bikini. I love it. And then I also got another snakeskin bikini. This one is a teal one. I love the sides, how they just go up and they're just like high cut. You guys know I love that look, and I love the top as well. It has a little belted look, and I love the color. This teal bikini is super cute. I love it. It has like this really cute shape to the bottom. I know it's tiny, but it has like a really cute shape to really create this kind of curvy look or like a feminine look, and I love it. It's definitely like really mermaid. I love the color. I love the teal. I love the snake print. I like the buckle detail. It's just really, really, really cute. And yeah, I really like the way that it fits. I know I'm not tan right now. I don't have a spray tan on. The back also has a full coverage look. The front is more of the sexy look. So that's actually it. That is a lot of clothes, I know. Everything that I ordered from Hot Miami Styles and it came in real life, I was like, oh my gosh, this package is epic because I like every single thing and I cannot wait to wear all of them. Like every single item, I was like, oh my gosh, I have this place to go to and I have this place to wear it to. Like I have so many things that I could wear it to, so I'm like super duper excited. Like I'm already wearing this right now because I'm gonna wear it to a pool party, and yeah, I'll take so many photos. And if you guys like any of the items, all the items are linked below. Thank you guys so much for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not already so you can see my videos whenever I upload them. Thank you guys so much for watching again, and have a wonderful rest of the summer and stay safe, and I love you guys, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye. Mwah.